Ambition does not always begin with a sword. Sometimes it begins with a whisper and a blueprint. In صنعاء the earth trembled, not from war but from weight. A cathedral rose, stone upon massive stone, designed not just to reach the heavens but to rival them. Grandeur has a cost, paid by those who laboured without choice beneath the watch of armed men. Even the past was not spared. Ancient stone was taken from its old resting place to serve a new ambition. Here gold replaced humility, a sanctuary raised not to invite devotion, but to command awe. And when it was finished, it blocked the sky. But the truest foundation was not stone, it was intention. The letter was signed, the seal was set. I have built a house, he wrote, to turn Arabia's pilgrimage toward it. The challenge was made, but faith is not a river that can be diverted by the hands of men.